knitting our Yache organic cotton bag, which is using this beautiful diagonal lace pattern. So I'm just demonstrating how to do that. So what we do on every second round, which is a plain knit round, we get up to our removable marker, and one stitch before that we stop and we knit 2 together. So I'm just at that point, so I've just done a plain knit round, knit those 2 together, take my removal marker off, and we are going to pop that onto the stitch that I just made, like that, so that I know next time I do my plain knit round, or every second round, I stop 1 stitch before that and knit those 2 together. Okay, so every odd numbered round, or every alternate round, we are doing the lace pattern. So we've already done the knit 2 together, where we've moved our removable stitch marker. The next part of the sequence is to do a yarn over, so bring the yarn around to the front of your needles, knit the next 2 together, so this is creating the eyelet, and then another yarn over around to the front, and we are just knitting 2 stitches, so we're not knitting them together, and that completes the 2 eyelets. And then we're starting again, so we are just knitting 2 together, yarn over, bring the yarn round to the front, knit 2 together to create the first eyelet, yarn over, bring the yarn around to the front, and knitting 2 stitches to create the next eyelet. And that is the pattern sequence. So what we're creating is the 2 eyelets there, and in between we have just stockinette 2 stitches, so it creates this beautiful diagonal lace pattern.